Dear students, good morning. Welcome to our maths class. In the last class, we have discussed about divisibility of numbers. So, today let us learn about prime factorization. Factorization means splitting a number into its factors. Factorization means splitting a number into its factors. Splitting a number means breaking a number into its factors. Okay. For example, 12. 12 is equal to 4 into 3. 4 into 3, 12. So, 4 can be split into 2 into 2. Okay. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2 into 3. That is equal to 12. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. Since 2 and 3 are both prime numbers, we can say that 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 12. Understand? Thus, a factorization in which every factor of a number is prime is called prime factorization of the number. Understand? Listen. A factorization in which every factor of a number is prime is called prime factorization of the number. Okay. Next example. 21. Consider the number 21. It can be factorized as 3 into 7. 3 into 7, 21. Okay. 3 and 7 cannot split into factors. Okay. So, 3 and 7 are the prime factors of 21. Understand? Listen. First method, factor tree method. Finding the prime factors by the factor tree method. For example, 48. Listen, 48 can be split into 8 into 6. 8 into 6, 48. Okay. So, 8 can be split into 4 into 2. 4 into 2, 8. Then, 6 split into 2 into 3. Okay. Next, 4. 4 split into 2 into 2. Then 2 bring down. Then next 2 into 3 are bring down. Okay. So, 48. 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. The prime factorization of 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 3, 48. Understand? Let's see another example. Finding the prime factors of 72 by using factor tree method. Listen. 72. First we split 72. Okay. 4 into 18, 72. Or 9 into 8, 72. Okay. We can choose any other two numbers. Okay. So, here 4 into 18, 72. 4. Okay. 4 into 18, 72. Next 4 split into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. Then 18 split into 3 into 6, 18. Okay. Then next 2 into 2 bring down. Then 3 is bring down. Then 6. 6 can be split into 3 into 2. Okay. 3 into 2, 6. Thus, 72. The prime factorization of 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. Understand? Next example, 225. Finding the prime factors of 225 by using the factor tree method. Here 225 split into 25 into 9. 25 into 9, 225. Then 25 split into 5 into 5. 5 into 5, 25. 9 split into 3 into 3. Okay. Thus, prime factorization of 225 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Okay. 5 into 5, 25. Okay. 25 into 3, 75. 75 into 3, 225. Okay. Prime factors of 225 is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Understand? Next, division method. For example, factorize 24 into its prime factors using the division method. Solution. Here, divide 24 by 2. Okay. The quotient is 12. 12 into 2, 24. Okay. The divisor must be a prime number. Okay. Understand? The divisor must be a prime number. Okay. Next, divide 12 by 2. 12 by 2. The quotient is 6. Okay. 6 into 2, 12. Again, 6. Divide 6 by 2. Divide 6 by 2. The quotient is 3. Okay. Next, divide 3 by 3. Final quotient is 1. Listen. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Understand?